Did you see this? This is my first time seeing it too. So this is the Soothing and Cooling Face Stick. So I already know if you have enlarged pores, because sometimes I can have enlarged pores. Honey, child, get into it and do it. Safe for sensitive areas. Hold on. A cooling gel stick to reduce puffy and tired skin. Apply all over to hydrate and refresh face. $1.25. Now, when I tell you Dollar Tree is definitely moving their feet to the beat and coordinating out in these streets, okay? These little baskets they have over here for $1.25. Honey, compared to who? Honey, Dollar Tree doing it, boo. Now, look at these water bottles, okay? Or juice bottles, honey, you can use them for whatever you want, but Dollar Tree said water bottles. And honey, let me remind you again, these are not for hot liquids, okay? $1.25. Fancy pantsy mancy. Look at this with the spring colors. Honey, I like this. This is really, really cute. Now, let me tell you something. Dollar Tree has so many new items. Oh, my goodness. Definitely have you moving your feet to the beat out in these streets. You ready? You're going to like this. Listen, Linda, because I know you guys been saying, when is Dollar Tree getting to touch land dupes again? Okay? Honey, now the Dollar Tree where I live, Bayonne, New Jersey. Honey, you're going to have to probably come over here because I don't know if your Dollar Tree has it. Okay? Now, they going quick, child. They go. All right? So this one is hibiscus scented. Child, where was these for Christmas? Now, I know I got some sense, okay? But, honey, they coming back with them. Child, they said, they see. And then they also have this one. This one is coconut lime scented. But wait, hold on, child. I got some even better. Okay, you ready for this? I told you was going to like this, didn't I? Okay, my word is my bond. Now, check this out. You see this? The hand sanitizer case. Okay, so they have the lime green one. And then they also have the pink one. This is fancy. Really, really cute. $1.25. Now, remember we seen these a few months, probably about 2 months ago. This is the for soft and smooth lips. Okay, this is the lip sugar scrub peach and honey. $1.25, honey. Dollar Tree is definitely moving. Okay, listen. Neutrogena Dupe Hydro Plus Hydrate and Cleansing Gel. Okay. This is $1.25. Now, the Neutrogena one, I believe is like $13 or so. Okay, say it right here. Compared to Neutrogena Hydro Boost. Okay, gently cleanses and removes dirt, oil, and makeup. Honey, Dollar Tree is doing it for me. New items. Kitchen towel. It's time to barbecue. Look at Dollar Tree doing it. Okay, so this is Dollar Tree pretty much cookout grill section over here. They have these adorable microfiber kitchen towels, grilling and chilling. I know that's right, child. And then they also have grill, eat, chill, repeat. Oh, I like that. Honey, I just smell a sausage. Okay, all right, honey, some barbecue chicken. All right, now they also have these pot holders over here that says cold drinks, good eats, and barbecue. They come in different colors. They have the blue, the red, the gray is okay with me. Condiment bottles. Now, I seen these last year. I believe you get 2 for $1.25. They also have some bamboo skewers over here, 100 pieces for $1.25. Toothpick dispensers that comes in different colors, $1.25. And then, of course, they grill stuff over here, $1.25. Also, remember that Dollar Tree has the Cozy Cutler pet beds that are $5. These are so cute, and they from Modern Threads. Child, styling, and definitely profiling. Peace, family. Peace. So today we are at the Dollar Tree near me, okay? And I know they have some amazing items, okay? Let's see. Moving our feet to the beat and book of the day. Power of the subconscious mind.
A lot of stuff, right?
When Dollar Tree be bringing it, it's okay. The heat Did you see these, honey? They got the spring colors out. What's Dollar Tree trying to do? Okay, coordinating. Honey, I see you, boo. Check this out. I know you probably thought I was done. You be sleeping on me, and that's okay. That's okay. But I don't like to be slept on. Okay? Now get into it and do it. All right, so first up, Dollar Tree has these plush collections over here. These are cute. These are $5. A steal deal like Holyfield. Look at this one. Chill. Won't he do it? Won't she do it? And then they also have these new doormats. Get into this. These are $5. Okay, welcome to our home. Love it. Love grows here. And child, get into the pillows. All right, so these are the decorative pillows. These are $5. Remember we seen the gray ones? Those sold out so quick. But now Dollar Tree has the white decorative pillows, 18 by 18 inches. Now, when I tell you they definitely moving their feet to the beat, child, they got everything out in these Dollar Tree streets, okay? They have the steering wheel tray, which is $5. 2 ways to use it, okay? And it has warning, not for use while the vehicle is in motion, all right? $5. They also have the vacuum cleaners. These are $5. And then, honey, they have so many new items, like this plush steering wheel cover, okay? Get into this. And then they also have the bling steering wheel cover, child. And then they also have another bling steering wheel cover. Look at the bling plush steering wheel cover, honey. They just doing it. $5. They also have the side window shade. These are $5. The twist sunshade, okay, these are $5 as well. License plate frames they have, which are $5. These are the fancy ones. They also have ones that's like $1.25, but when you buy these, it has like the screw cover, okay? These little caps right here that cover the screws, they come in different colors. They have black, pink, and also silver. Child, Dollar Tree is doing it for the ones and twos. Dual cup holder expander. These are $5. Look at this to expand the cup. Child, get into this and do this, all right? Dollar Tree ain't playing. Okay, so just in case, if you guys haven't seen this, Dollar Tree now has the desktop vacuums. These are $5. Keep your workspace cleaned. Okay, they also have the wireless speaker with party light show, $5. I had showed that before. The 2-port high-speed power delivery wall charger, that's $5. They also have the LED shower speakers. These are $5. Suction to smooth surface, water-resistant built-in microphone, FM radio. Now, these come in different colors. They have the white, the blue, the gray, and also the pink up here. They also have the 4-port PD car charger, which is $5. The ride share ports, these are $5 as well. And then, of course, they have the ring light party speaker, which is $5. If you are looking for some headphones, iConcepts, Dollar Tree has these headphones. These are $5. They come in different colors. They have like the green. They also have the pink in the back, and then they also have the silver. Fancy Mancy, $5. They also have the lantern fans. These are $5 collapsible. What about the motion activated outdoor solar wall lamp? This is $5 as well. Magnetic sensor wireless light. Instant lighting when drawer is open. Perfect for closets, cabinets, bedsides, and more. $5.